Here prove that tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. Now we know the formula tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Again here in this formula substitute theta is equal to pi by 8. Okay. So we get tan 2 into pi by 8 is equal to 2 tan pi by 8 upon 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Okay. Now here this becomes 2 ones are 2 fours are. So tan pi by 4 is equal to 2 tan pi by 8 upon 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Clear? Now tan pi by 4, value of tan pi by 4 is 1. So this is 1 is equal to 2 tan pi by 8 upon 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Okay. Now here let tan pi by 8 is equal to say t. So 1 is equal to 2t upon 1 minus t square. And now use cross multiplication. So we get 1 minus t square is equal to 2t. 1 minus t square is equal to 2t, and hence 0 is equal to t square plus 2t minus 1. I am shifting this to the right side, and that is we get this quadratic equation t square plus 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. And to solve this I am using quadratic formula. So we know that t is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We know this quadratic formula. So in this case a is equal to 1, which is coefficient of quadratic term, coefficient in quadratic term. Then b is equal to 2 coefficient of t, and c is the constant term, and therefore t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 upon 2 into 1. I have substituted all the values, and that is minus 2 plus or minus under root 4 plus 4 upon 2, and therefore t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 8 upon 2, and we know root 8 means 2 root 2. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 upon 2. Now take 2 common in the numerator. So we get minus 1 plus or minus root 2 upon 2, and now cancel this 2. Okay. Now see, we got t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. Now see, t is actually tan pi by 8. That means angle pi by 8 lies in the first quadrant, and tan is positive in that first quadrant. Therefore, here tan pi by 8 is equal to minus 1 plus root 2. Tan pi by 8 is positive. Okay, got the reason? And hence tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1, and hence it is proved. Okay.